Hello, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Secure 7. This is Parth, and we have a new machine which is InfoSec Preparations OSCP, which is our like आप जो भी OSCP सर्टिफिकेशंस की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो उसके लिए मेनली मशीन है जो कि आपको हेल्प करेगी। OSCP एग्ज़ाम में क्या होता है कि आपको 4 IP एड्रेस दिए जाएंगे, उसको आपको क्रैक करना है। उस IP एड्रेस में जाकर आपको फ्लैग ढूंढना है उसमें। ओके, so let's see how it is works. You can just download from the here this machine, and this is the descriptions of all about this machine, and this is the screenshot. We now go to the our OSCP machine which is running on the 101 networks, which is running on my virtual network. Okay, so let's we jump into the our Kali Linux virtual machine. So here is the our Kali Linux machine. Okay, and our vulnerable machine IP address is 101. Any machine you can test first part of reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is the one of the first part of your हैकिंग जर्नी। फर्स्ट आपको क्या करना है, रिकॉन करना है कि मशीन के बारे में जो भी डेटा है उसको आपको कलेक्ट करना है और उसको आपको लाइक शॉर्टेड करना है कि जो भी आपको वल्नरेबल लगता है उसको आपको शॉर्टेड करना है, जिससे कि आपको हेल्प होगी कि आप बग और वल्नरेबिलिटी फास्टेस्ट ढूंढ सके। यू फाइंड द वल्नरेबिलिटी fastest way. So here is the Nmap scan, which is we use the SCSV port, and here is the port which is 22 port is open, port 80 is open, and port 33060 is open, which is a MySQL X. Okay, so let's we first jump it into the port 80, which is the HTTP port. HTTP port हम कहाँ पे रन करेंगे, ब्राउजर में। फायरफॉक्स ओपन कर लिया है हमने। सो यहाँ पे एक वर्डप्रेस वेबसाइट है, जस्ट अनदर वर्डप्रेस वेबसाइट OSCP वाउचर। यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है थोड़ी सी इन ऑर्डर टू दी एंटर द गिव अवे। ओके, just read it, and Discord server, hello world. This is the simple website. So let's jump into the here. You can see WordPress. So there will be a like vulnerable WordPress. So let's check it out first. First of all, we finding the directory of this website. We are using dirb, which is directory booster. Hit enter, and finding the directories is working here. Here is the index.php here. Okay, JavaScript here, and here is the robots.txt. Let's jump into the robots.txt. So robot.txt में और एक directory है which is the secret.txt. Let's we copy this secret.txt, paste it over here, hit enter, और यहाँ पे हमें बेस 64 में कुछ दिया गया है। So let's we copy here and just go to the terminal, and we are using the base 64 encoder. So we go with the echo here, पेस्ट कर दिया है हमने यहाँ पे। और यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे कि बेस 64 डैश टी, ये हम क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये कोड बेस 64 में कन्वर्टेड है, तो इसको डिकोड करने के लिए हम बेस 64 यूज़ करेंगे। ओके, सो here is the like sum of the IDRSA key. This is the using for the login into the SSH, like आप जो भी SSH login कर रहे हो उसमें आपको login करने में हेल्प करता है, पासवर्ड यूज नहीं करना पड़ेगा। ओके, let's we go to the here. We have not here user name, we are using the OSCP is our user. Okay, so let's jump into the terminal. OSCP is our user at the rate our IP address 192.168.0.101 is our IP address, and we are not like making our directory file, which is the cat. Okay, we are using cat here, id underscore rsa, and hit enter. Paste this key, control D. Go back to the our directory, which is ssh login here, and type the id underscore rsa here. Okay, this will not showing here. ls here, id rsa here. Okay, let's we log in into the ssh here. First of all, clear this all this off. ssh OSCP at the rate 192.168.0.101 is our IP address, and dash I for the ID RSA. Okay, hit enter. Yes, here, hit enter. Okay, so permissions for the ID RSA are to open. Okay, so first of all क्या हमें करना पड़ेगा कि ID RSA अभी एक फाइल है, ओके, उसको परमिशन देनी पड़ेगी एग्जीक्यूटेबल होने के लिए. chmod we are using 00 idrsa here. Okay, now we can execute this file with for the ssh, and here, boom, we have the login here. So first of all, who am I? Use the who am I. This the user is OSCP. Okay, so cd. Okay, ls, we are using ls here. cd ip. Okay, this is not directory, so cat ip here. Here we are finding some SUIDs for bit set. We are check for a program with the SUIDs bit set and find the bash with using the find command. Find ls here to greater than this null here. Hit enter, finding the directories which is using for this. So here you can see user bin bash here. So let's we try the slash user slash bin slash bash and dash p for the executing. Okay, just I typed the wrong here. Okay, and now we are rooted. So let's we see we are rooted or not. So here is the root, you can see here is the root. So let's we ls here, cd root here. Okay, there is no file and directory here, so we use the id command for finding we are rooted or not. So we are rooted, you can see user is OSCP and EUID is root. So this is machine is solved. We finding the root and entering the vulnerable machines man command root. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. We are back with the new machine with a new vulnerabilities.